I am the last worker. So my topic is all about activity-based learning. So I just want to be honest. I would like to send huge appreciations sa Tabang on it. I would like to be honest because I know I was being witnessed with my plan time to spring. So thank you so much and so much for that. Let's proceed to my topic. So activity-based learning. So what comes to your mind when you hear the word activity-based learning method? Anyone? Huh? What? So when you say activity-based learning, it tackles about students' engagement in particular activities. So, activity-based learning strategy in instructing English language using fiction is based on an active learning approach. So, we all know that a classroom is not a conducive environment if the students are not engaging with the activities. So, diba, they have this saying, banking system.
Yes.
Diba, teachers only teach without students' engagement. So, on the other hand, opposite ang activity-based learning. Because activity-based learning method, it allows students to engage, to have an interactive approach and different interplay of class activities. So it requires students to find opportunities to listen, read, talk, and write. So obviously, when we have an interactive atmosphere of activities, of course, it allows students to have to improve their listening skills, reading skills, talk, and write. So the four macro skills, yata na. So these activities engage students in discovery, processing, that promote active learning and higher order thinking. So what are the suggested activities to do? So discussion and brainstorming. Can we read everyone?
The teachers ask to show pictures or title of the book and allow students to brainstorm ideas on what the book could be about based on the illustration.
So brainstorming. So it is undoubtedly very familiar to us. So what comes to your mind when you hear about brainstorming?
Sharing of knowledge.
Sharing knowledge, thoughts. So it aims to have a problem solution. So brainstorming not just includes one person doing the work. So it's having a holistic view where students share point of views. So when we brainstorm, di ba, may mga good example na math. Di ba, math is of course a very hard subject. Personally, I can say it's a very hard subject. But through brainstorming, di ba, we eventually reach to a point where we can easily decipher, we can pinpoint exactly what are the possible solutions. Because if you are just doing it by yourself, so, it takes a lot of time and effort. But through brainstorming, we can come up and bridge the gap to problem solution. So, paano man may understandable, gabihin na po. So, the target language skills involved in brainstorming is reading, listening, speaking, and grammar. Next one is the story, retelling, and story completion. Can we read everyone?
Storytelling and story completion are very good strategies to enhance the four macro skills of the students. After reading, students are given a chance to retell the story that can be done through a video presentation, role play, creative writing, songwriting, or singing.
So, story retelling. So, it is very familiar to us, right? When we are in primary level, the teacher would usually story retell a story in order for the student to learn further and have deeper understanding of the said subject. Diba, ang story is not that really understandable if the teacher doesn't retell or explain further what are those things inside the story. So it is very important, and of course, story retelling helps recount the main events and key details of the story in a sequential and coherent manner. So, when you do a story retelling, you can kanang imong masabtan nimo jud og tarong in every sequence the plot of the story. So that's what makes a story interesting if the students learn about the sequence of story. So through story retelling, makuha nimo ang point kung saan plot sa story, isa it's all about, what are the functions of each characters. So third one, conducting interviews. Can you read everyone?
Interview simulation is a way to gather information and research more about texts.
So conducting interviews. So for you guys, what makes interview a very viable way to get information? Gano man ang interview is very important for information. Diba through interviews we can have an insight of what's happening around. So just like in mga news, diba? Through conducting interviews, the interviewer would have factual basis or kanang makagarner deeper understandings of what really is happening around. So understandable naman, di ba, no? So of course interview includes reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So these are the target language skills. So let's proceed with simulation activities. Can you read everyone?
Simulation activities include presentations, panel discussions, talk shows, news reporting, filmmaking, or other activities that help the students to understand.
So simulation activities. Are you familiar with simulation from the word simulation? Lahi ang simulation o stimulation. So simulation, when we say simulation, you apply word-like play action. So example na is kanang mag-conduct og earthquake drills. Diba atong gi-simulate what are the possible ways we can do to mitigate the risk of damage of earthquake. So kana bang imo bang gi-act unsay mga ways nga mabuhat mo. From the word is simulate, so you are doing it in action. Sabot ma?
Yes.
So example here includes presentation, panel discussions, talk shows, news reporting, filmmaking, or other activities that help the students to understand. Diba, pag high school, di ba naman tayo mag-news reporting tayo, even karon college, di ba? Di pa kuan madaan na. So those are the example of simulation. May mga debate, panel debate, filmmaking. So we're trying to emulate what others do. We apply it in real life situation. So one is simulation activities. So general strategies. So in analyzing the character, the teacher needs to ask the students to pay attention to the characters now and how the authors portray the characters. So when we have a story, the teacher of course will have to ask the students to pay attention to each characters, because this is how they will learn to have a deeper understanding of what the authors is trying to imply with the story. Kaya ang students, ikay nagpabasa ang maestra ang story niya, wag kasabot ang estudyante ngayon mabasahan. So how could they come up with the inside points of story. So they don't have a very interactive, conducive classroom environment. So first is the plot analysis. Can we read everyone?
In analyzing, teachers need to ask the students to pay attention to the plot and let the student identify the exposition, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, and the resolution. Analyzing, teachers to ask the students to pay attention to the plot and let the student identify the exposition, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, and the resolution.
So plot analysis. So we are familiar with what is plot, the sequential pattern of the story. So ibang plot includes stated here exposition, the beginning, the rising action where it's like the story, it's where the story problem spirals out of control. That and the climax, the most thrilling part. The falling action is where like the resolution gradually takes place, and the resolution is where they came up with a solution, or the characters appease to one another. So that's the plot analysis. And why is it very important to analyze the plot? So of course it describes the what or why the story is all about. It describes the problems, their characters, and how they are trying to solve, and give details on how they attempt to solve them. A strong, compelling plot is essential to any story. So, the purpose of having plot analysis, of course, in order to students to have a comprehension, they would have the knowledge kung sa about ang sequential structure sa story. Okay, ikaw, gabasa kag or like kinanggatanaw rag movie niya, wala kasabot sa sequence asa exposition, asa ang rising action kanang dili ka you are not keeping abreast of what is happening. So what ang kag interest, you would have little to no interest in watching kay wa kasabot. So muna we have the plot analysis for this in order for students to learn, to have an understanding and even an insight of what the story is all about. Point of view analysis. So can you read everyone?
In analyzing the point of view, teachers need to ask the students to pay attention to the narrator. Let the students analyze who is telling the story by spotting the first person narrative with the use of personal pronoun.
So point of view, very familiar. Again, what is the first person point of view? First person point of view.
Second person.
You mo second.
Yeah, you.
First person point of view mo I, me, we. Second
We, they, she.
person point of view is kana you.
You.
Yeah, ang third.
Third.
Ang third person point of view is he, she. Oh. Ano? Pronouns they, him, her. So muna inclusion of point of view analysis. So ganong importante man ang point of view analysis. It's very important because the person who watches the movie or even reading the books can understand what are the roles being played by each characters. So kanina siya si she or he, what in a young function, he's a protagonist, he's the one who's taking trouble at the table. So munang nakay point of view on how they act, what are the roles that they play in story. So sa butambol naman ang point of view, diba? We recently discussed about it. And the last one is the setting analysis. So, can we read everyone?
In analyzing the setting, the teachers need to direct the students to understand the time, place, or location where the story takes place. The setting can also point to particular period in some historical fiction.
So setting analysis. So, setting is about when, where, asang location, the time, where it takes place. So setting analysis. Why is it? What's the benefits of setting analysis? It's where the students can learn when is the action being played, the asang location. So that's the purpose of setting analysis. It allows the students to know where the story takes place and in what time, when. So one setting analysis. So that's all from my report. Do you have any concerns? Violent reactions? I think we are all hungry, so
Yes.
that's all from my reporting. And
Take a break.